Hello dear students, welcome back to the video classes. Today we are going to solve the few more examples from the exercise 1.2. Today we are going to solve the remaining questions on the binary operations. In this case we are going to study the given operation star is commutative or associative or not. Dear students, let me take the question number 2. For each binary operation star defined below, we have to determine that whether the star is commutative or associative. We have to check whether star is commutative or associative. Let me begin with the first question. On Z, define A star B is equal to A minus B. We have to check that whether star is commutative or associative or not. With the second question, on Q, define A star B is equal to AB plus 1. In all these examples, we are going to check whether star is a binary operation on the given respective sets. Now let me begin with the first question. That is, let me begin with on Z, star defined by A star B is equal to A minus B. It can be clearly observed that 1 star 2 is always equal to 1 minus 2 according to the definition of the star. That gives minus 1. And 2 star 1 is equal to 2 minus 1, that gives plus 1. In this case, we observed that 1 star 2 is not equal to 2 star 1 for all 1 comma 2 belongs to Z. Hence star is not commutative. Also we have, if I take the 3 elements belongs to the given set, then 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to, let me apply the star definition between 1 and 2. That gives first element minus second element star 3. But 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1 and again star 3. Therefore, according to the definition of the star, first element minus second element. First element is minus 1 minus 3, that gives minus 4. Similarly, we check 1 star 2 star 3. 1 as it is, star of 2 star 3 is nothing but 2 minus 3. That gives 1 star minus 1. Therefore, it gives 1 minus of minus 1, that gives plus 2. But in this case, we find that 1 star 2 star 3 is not equal to 1 star 2 star 3, because 1 star 2 star 3 gives minus 4 and 1 equal, hence star is not associative. My dear students, the associative law in the examination will be told for 2 marks and the commutative law will be given for 1 marks. If the problem is given for both the laws, the total marks for this question is 3 marks it is. Now, moving to the next question. On Q, star is defined by A star B is equal to A plus B. This is my second question on the same problem. It is known that A star B is equal to B star A. As per the definition of the star, A star B is equal to B star A. Let me consider this. But according to the definition of the star, this can be written as AB plus 1 and the right hand side can be written as BA plus 1. Both the sides are equal. Therefore, in this case, star is commutative for all. Here it should be for all a comma b belongs to the given set. Therefore, the binary operation A star b as ab plus 1 is commutative. Likewise, we check the further law, that is whether star is a associative or not. It can be observed that 1 star 2 star 3 can be written as, according to the star definition, 1 into 2 plus 1 star 3. 1 into 2 plus 1 gives 3 star 3. Again, by the definition, first element into second element plus 4, it gives plus 10. This is our left hand side of the associative law. Let me consider the right hand side. 1 star 2 star 3, which is equal to 1 star 2 star 3 can be written as 2 into 3 plus 1. That gives 1 star 7. But 1 star 7 will be again 1 into 7 plus 1. That gives plus 8. But here we find that LHS is not equal to RHS for all A, B, C belongs to Q. Therefore, the binary operation star is not associative. Dear students, moving to the next question, question number 3. On Q, star is defined by A star B is equal to AB divided by 2. We have to prove that, or we have to determine that whether the star is commutative or associative. Now once again, for all A, B, A star B is equal to B star A. A star B is equal to B star A. But as per the definition, A star B is nothing but AB by 2 and B star A is nothing but BA divided by 2. In this case, we observe that both the sides are equal. Hence, star is commutative for all A, B belongs to the set of rational numbers. We have to check the commutativity for the given binary operation star. For all A, B, C belongs to Q, we have the left hand side A star B star C. But by the definition of the star, we have AB divided by 2 star C. Again, by the definition, we can write AB by 2 star C can be written as AB by 2 into C whole divided by 2. That gives ABC divided by 2 to the 4. Therefore, the left hand side of the commutative law is, associative law is ABC divided by 4. Again, according to the right hand side, A star B star C can be written as A star B star C can be written as BC divided by 2. Again, by the binary operation star definition, we can write that first element into second element divided by 2. That gives first element is A, second element is BC divided by 2, again whole divided by 2. That is according to the star definition. Once again, we get it is ABC divided by 2 to the 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we can say that star in this case on Q is a binary operation. That is, star is associative. Moving to the fourth problem. On Z plus, star is defined by A star B is equal to 2 to the power AB. Once again, we have to check whether star is commutative or associative or not. It is known that for all A, B belongs to Z plus, A star B is equal to B star A. But this implies A star B in this case is 2 to the power AB and B star A can be written as 2 to the power B. For all A, B belongs to Z plus, we can say that both the sides are equal. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. Hence, the star is a binary operation which is commutative. Or we can say that, therefore, the operation star on Q is commutative. Moving to the associative law, it can be observed that 1 star 2 star 3 can be written as 2 to the power first element into second element star C, that is 3. 2 raised to 1 into 2 can be written as 4 star 3. Again, by the definition, we can write 2 to the power first element into second element, that is 2 raised to 4 into 3, that gives 2 raised to 12. Similarly, we can say that 1 star 2 star 3, which is equal to 1 star 2 to the power 2 cross 3, that is 1 star 2 raised to 6. 1 star 2 raised to 6 is nothing but 64. 64 into 1 is 2 raised to 64. But 2 raised to 12 and 2 raised to 64 both are not equal. That is, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, in this case, once again, we can say that for all A, B, C belongs to Z plus, the binary operation star is not associative. Dear students, let me consider the fifth question. On Z plus, that is set of positive integers, star is defined by A star B is equal to first number to the power second number. Let me check whether star is commutative or not. In this case, for all A, B belongs to Z plus, A star B is equal to B star A. But A star B is nothing but first element raised to second element is equal to B to the power A. If A and B both are equal, then the star is commutative. But in this case, we have to check for all the elements of Z plus, A raised to B is not equal to B raised to A. Therefore, we can say that star is not commutative. It can also be observed that the associativity 2 star 3 star 4, 2 star 3 is nothing but 2 to the power 3 star 4, that is 8 to the power b first number raised to the second number. Therefore, it can be written as 8 star 4. 8 star 4 can be written as 8 to the power 4, which gives 2 to the power 12. Likewise, 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to 2 star 3 raised to 4, 2 star 81, that is 2 to the power 80. But 2 raised to 81 and 2 raised to 12 both are unequal. Hence, 2 star 3 star 4 is not equal to 2 star 3 star 4. For all 2, 3, 4 belongs to Z plus. Therefore, in this case, we say that star is not associative. Dear students, look at the sixth question from the question number 2, exercise 1.4. On R star, or we can say R minus of minus 1, star is defined by A star B is equal to first number divided by second number plus 1, that is A divided by B plus 1. Now it can be observed that for all A, B or 1 star 2, we can write first element divided by second element plus 1, that is 1 by 3. Similarly, 2 star 1 can be written as first element divided by second element plus 1, that gives 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. Here we find that A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, the binary operation star is not commutative. It can also be observed that for the associative law, consider the left hand side, 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to, it is first element divided by second element plus 1, that is first element is 1, second element is 2 plus 1, that gives 1 by 3. Again, star, the next number is 3. Again, by the definition of the star, we can write first element divided by second element plus 1, that is 1 divided by 3 divided by 4, it gives 1 by 12. Likewise, 1 star 2 star 3 can be written as 1 star 2 divided by 3 plus 1, that gives 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 1 star 1 by 2. Again, by the definition of the associativity or the binary operation star, first element divided by second element plus 1, that is 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 can be written as 3 by 2. By reciprocating, we get 2 divided by 3. The LHS is 1 by 12 and the RHS is 2 by 3. Both are not same. Therefore, 1 star 2 star 3 is not equal to 1 star 2 star 3. Therefore, we can say that the binary operation star is not associative. Dear students, I hope you have understood the problems on the commutativity and associativity on the binary operation star on the given set. I hope if you have any doubts, you can call the given below number. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.